Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to import another image into Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea. After starting Photopea, we can go to File folder, and I have an image. I drag and drop this image into Photopea to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepack.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now we can see that in the layers window, we can see there are background image. If we want to add another image, we can go to File folder, and then I drag and drop into Photopea. So we can see that there is a new layer for the new photo. Now we can have a transform tool. We can make a scale, and we can rotate and move it. I rotate here and move it here and press enter to apply. This is the first way to import image into Photopea. Alternative way, we can go to File and go to Open and Place. And then we can go to File folder. I go to Downloads and pick another image and open it. So we can see that another image is imported as a new layer. So we can make a scale, we can rotate, and we can move it. So this is how we can import another image into Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.